Introducing Bella 1.00. In Bella, we're going to learn how to use data from multiple time frames in one robot. Alright, so let me explain the rules of Bella. Essentially, Bella 1.0 is equal to Anna 1.1 and one additional rule. And this additional rule is this. For long trades, in addition to the cross happening and the high-low condition, SMA 20 of the time frame 1 hour must be greater than SMA 20 of the time frame 4 hours. And SMA 20 of the 4 hour time frame must be greater than SMA 20 of the daily time frame. And we are talking about shift 1 here. So let me make it clear. Shift 1. Alright. So I suggest that you guys work on this. There is 3 TDLs. TDL 1. Reference indicator values from other time frames. So if you're going to use SMA 20 from the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, and daily time frame, you need to pull the information first. Once you're done, TDL2, create the rules that are needed for long trade, and TDL3, same thing, do it for short trades. So try it out, and when we come back, we are going to go through the code for Bella 1.00. Welcome back. Let's jump straight into it. TDL1. Reference indicator values. Essentially, we want these 3 lines of code. We need the SMA value for hourly, 4 hourly, and daily. Alright, so everything we do before this is just to get these 3 lines. And I'm going to call this medium SMA to differentiate between short and long SMA. Since short is 10, long is 40, and for medium, we are using 20. Let's work our way up. Copy buffer. Make sure you name them right. This needs to be edited. And I'm going to quickly go through the other lines. Indicator release, IMA, set array as series. These 4 lines, new for Bella 1.00. These 4 are the new lines that we have added. Declare these variables that we will use later. Alright, now that that is done, let's go to TDL2. Simply, you have these 2 if statements. If SMA medium shift 1 hourly time frame is greater than the 4 hourly one, and if the 4 hourly one is greater than the daily one, then the rule is valid. And note that you can't do this. You can't write the 3 of them together this way, because MetaTrader will not read it as how you intended it to be read. Let me show you the thinking process. Let us see how does MetaEditor read this line. So you will read it as if this is greater than this, So let's say it's true. So this whole part will be true, and the numerical representation of true is 1. Then you'll check if 1 is greater than this. There won't be an error if you compile it, but it is not what we want. Alright. TDL3 less than. Before we run a backtest, I just want to mention that the rationale for this rule is because we are looking for trends, right? And if this is greater than this, and if this is greater than this, it means that in the short run, the prices are moving upwards. Hence, the tendency for there to be trends is higher, is assumed to be higher. This assumption may or may not hold in real life. It may or may not hold in the market conditions that you are in right now. This Bella as a whole may not be a viable strategy. So do note that Bella is just for educational purposes. Alright? So don't be surprised if you run a backtest and Bella performs worse than NR 1.01. Let's run the backtest. We have more rules, so we should expect less number of trades, because the criteria for a trade to occur is tighter right now. I run it on Euro USD from 2013 to the end of 2016, and the results, we are up $600. Not so bad, I guess. No, not really. It's not that great, but that's not the point. Alright, so this is how you incorporate data from different time frames in one robot.